Before the internet and before the telephone book covered everyone, American cities published annual directories, and they are a genuinely powerful research tool that almost nobody uses anymore. A city directory typically lists residents alphabetically with their home address, occupation, employer, and often whether they owned or rented. Because they were published annually, running the same name across consecutive years gives you a year-by-year address history that no other source provides for that era. They also solve problems modern records cannot. A wife listed as widow of a named husband confirms a death year. Adult children appear at the parent's address until the year they move out. Many directories include a reverse section organized by street, letting you see everyone who lived on a block, which is how you identify the neighbors who might remember a family. Libraries, historical societies, and several digitized archives hold them. Our research team uses directories to bridge historical gaps into living person searches. If this was useful, please like and subscribe. Order at peoplelocatorskiptracing.com.